In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock some pretty cool hidden music stations using Apple Music and Siri, so let's get into it. So I'm having a lot of fun with Apple Music in iOS 14, and there are a bunch of really cool hidden stations, like algorithmic music stations, that you can unlock using specific Siri commands, where you can squeeze even more juice out of Apple Music. So let's get into probably the easiest station to unlock, which is just saying, hey S-word, play something I like. So I'm gonna enable Siri here, play something I like. And you can see here, it started this new music station with some music picked just for you. And then if you go to recently played in Apple Music, you can see it started this station with your name in it. So this will basically play a bunch of stuff that it thinks you like based on the stuff you have pressed the like button on or the love button. And just like kind of your music history, the algorithm determines all of these really cool stations. The next station I want to talk about is kind of a similar personalized station, but instead you're creating a new music station, which is basically a bunch of new music that algorithmically Apple Music thinks you will like. Just say, hey S-word, play something new. And as you can see, it creates a new music radio station over here, and it's playing some music that's new that it thinks I would like. I love this feature, and honestly, I use this all the time when I'm just like, I can't figure out what to play, but I want to hear some new music from artists that I like or artists that Apple Music will think I like. And I find this to be incredibly accurate, a little bit repetitive sometimes, but you can always just like tap on that radio station again, and then you'll get a completely new set of music. I have found so much new music just by this one feature. You can also use Siri commands to invoke artist stations. So for example, play Ben Aqua radio. And you can see it's starting to play a radio station based on Ben Aqua, which is me. That's my music. Yes, I am a musician, by the way. And if you haven't heard my stuff, be sure to go into Apple Music, search for Ben Aqua, and you'll find all my music there. I highly appreciate the support. Play Radiohead radio. And now it's playing Radiohead, and it says Radiohead and similar artists. So it's like an artist station. It's similar to Spotify's version of the artist station, but I like that you can just tap it once and it just automatically starts playing. And again, I really like that each time you press on the radio station shortcut here under recently played, it'll give you a completely new set of tracks. So it's pretty cool to see what the algorithm thinks you will like based on the stuff that you've played already and what other people have played. So the next type of hidden playlist that you can unlock is within genres. And it's pretty straightforward. You just pick your favorite genre. For example, play electronic music. So here you go, you get the unlocked electronica station. I noticed that sometimes this works kind of differently for certain genres, like more popular genres like pop music or rap or something. It might actually default to a radio station like one of the Apple Music official radio stations, not this unlocked hidden radio station. So for example, let's try play metal music. And here again, since metal is a really huge genre, it'll play metal radio, which is like Apple Music's official metal radio station. So next up, we have mood stations, which is one of my favorite ways to just be like, what mood are you in? And let's play a station of music based on that mood. Play happy music. Okay, here's happy music, and you can see that there's a happy music radio station now in your Apple Music under recently played. And by the way, while you're seeing all these new tracks and these new stations, you can go into individual tracks if you like them. For example, I love this song by Electric Light Orchestra, and you can click love on that. And if you don't like something that it gives you, you can also tap on this suggest less like this. So it basically feeds more into the algorithm and lets it know what you like, what you don't like. Play sad music. So here's another mood radio, which is based on sad music over here. And as I'm scrolling through these songs, it seems pretty accurate, I would say. These seem like pretty sad, kind of somber songs, beautiful songs. Ooh, Serpent with Feet. Play angry music. Over here, you can see it started an angry music radio station. That's really cool. Play chill music. And there it goes. It started a new station called Chill Music. Again, it seems really accurate, and I just love this feature. Play motivated music. It's kind of like energetic, motivated, get you going kind of music. As you can see, we got some Britney Spears going on. And then if you're feeling a little spicy, play intimate music. And it plays some like sexy, what Apple Music calls getting it on radio. And I like that under this recently played section, you can just easily go back to one of your other moods or one of your other stations, tap on it, and then you get a whole new set of music. So another type of really cool station that you can unlock is the activity station. If you're about to work out, play workout music. Damn, Apple Music really wants me to listen to Britney Spears apparently. So we have working out radio over here, and you can tap that again. And again, you can get some new stuff for working out. Play meditation music. And then it creates a meditation radio station here. Play party music. And as you can see, it created this partying radio station. Play focusing music. And here we go, we have a new focusing radio station here. Play entertaining music. I guess when you're entertaining guests kind of vibe. And that'll create a new station over here called entertaining. Play chill electronic music. So I combined the mood of chill and I combined the genre of electronic, and it created a chill electronic radio station. How cool is that? Play party pop music. And then over here you see pop for partying. Play angry workout music. And here we go, angry music for working out. Play sad focusing music. Sad music for focusing. Here's a way to channel that sadness and focus at the same time. Play chill party music. Here we go, chill music for partying. So those are some of the commands that I have found. Feel free to leave a comment if you think I missed something, or if there are other playlists that you find super awesome for you. Hit me up in the comment section below. I will see you there. Be sure to smash the like button on this video if you found it useful. Subscribe to my channel for more spicy content such as this. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.